Merwan was an excellent poet, and the verses he wrote would gladden the hearts of all seekers. He wrote verses, ghazals, and songs under the pseudonym of Humar. The popularity of his renderings can be gauged from the fact that once on a visit to Bombay, while passing by the Kalbadevi locality, I heard three Parsi boys in a gramophone shop singing at the top of their lungs his Urdu ghazal. Money, alas money. Boys were singing it with such zest and gusto that even some of the passers-by had stopped there to enjoy it. And they sang it while dancing. Bailey Irani in the book Meher Baba From Boyhood to Godhood.
अजब है कातिल खुदा की रहमत बिछाए कांटे गुलाब में भी। अदल है शामिल खुदा की अजमत सितम रखा है सवाब में भी। How wonderful is the murderous mercy of God. His mercy has adorned the rose with thorns. What justice exists in the glory of God? There is cruelty in His kindness. हराम हो या हलाल हो, मैं मुझे तो मस्ती इश्क होना। खुमारे इश्क के इलाही जैसा ना पाया लज्जत शराब में भी। It matters not whether wine is accepted by any religion. I long for the intoxication of love. Oh God, what bliss lies in love's intoxication. The wine of man can never bestow it. Na daftare ilme ishq paida gajab hai mushkil kalame mohabbat. बरलू है सीना लिखा हुआ हक पढ़ा न कोई किताब में भी। One cannot experience love by reading books. Love can never be described in words. I have never read about real love, for it cannot be written. Portray love with the blood of your heart, and it will be yours. वस्ल से दे खुदा जिंदगी, तेरे ही तो हिज्र में मर चुका हूँ। फिराक में रंजो गम की गिनती ना आवे हरगिज हिसाब में भी। Oh God, grant me the gift of your union. I have died in your separation, but in your ledger you need not count the torments I am feeling away from you. जिगर में मेरे खून बह रहा है, कबाब मेरा दिल हो चुका है। जिगर के जख्मों में जो नमक है ना होगा ऐसा कबाब में भी। Blood is spilling from my heart, which has become like minced meat, but missing is that salt which you sprinkle in the wounds of the heart. सवाल बंदे से क्यों करें हम हमारी हाजत खुदा से ढूंढे। सवाल में भी खुदा शनासी, खुदा शनासी जवाब में भी। Why should one question the lovers of God about Him? One should long to ask God directly. Oh God, you are found in the question as well as in the answer. खुदा को हर जहाँ है देखा यकसा है, अपने दिल में उसका रहना। आबाद घर का खुदा है, साकी हाजिर है खाना खराब में भी। I have seen the same God everywhere. His abode is in every heart. God is the wine cellar in the house, rich in purity, and He is ever present in the house of ruination. जहाँ के रंजो आलम सितम से ख्याल में बेकरारी क्यों हो मेहरबानी खुदा की हुमा, मिलेगी राहत अजाब में भी। Why should one feel restless, experiencing misery, cruelty, and the difficulties of the world? Oh Huma, if God showers His mercy upon you, then pleasure is felt in pain.